Hey, third graders, I hope you did well on your tests. We're almost finished, but we have one more thing to do in our books before your English class is completely finished. So let's do it. It's lesson 8 on page 138. Now, there's a glare right here, a glare of light. So I'll show you. Page 138. Okay. Up to You is the name. So let's take a look. And we'll look on this page today. All right, let's finish it. This is the last one you'll learn from me. So let's have a good time with it. I hope it's fun. Anyway, here we go. So the key phrase, we have this from your first year. What's wrong? And then I blank last night, yesterday. Okay, so we're talking about past tense verb. I'm sorry to hear that. So there's something you learned, I believe first year also, or last year. So old key phrases, and then this is an old key phrase. I played, I went to blank yesterday. We're setting up a past tense. But our new key phrase is this. I should have, I shouldn't have, blank. And we need a past participle, PP verb. So let's do a little bit of review. I'll speak first and then you. We'll go really quick. What's wrong? I have a headache. Okay, you remember that? I have blank. First year, first grade key phrase, easy. Let's do another one. What's wrong? You don't look well. I caught a cold yesterday, so my nose is runny. I caught a cold yesterday, so my nose is runny. All right, caught is past tense for catch. I catch a cold today, I caught a cold yesterday. Okay, and then we have so blah, blah, blah. This is my reason for why I don't look well. Okay, simple old A-B dialogues. All right, I am tired. You should sleep. I am sick. You should see a doctor. Okay, so now we're using should. These are not past participles. These are present tense verbs. Sleep, see. You should see. Okay? But now, let's take a look at PP verbs. Okay, eat food I shouldn't have. Now we're adding the word have. Auxiliary verb. Changes eat. I shouldn't have eat in food. I shouldn't have eaten food. How about this one? Play games. I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have played games. There is no PP verb form for play. All right? But there is a PP verb form for do. Okay, so do homework I should have. I should have done homework. Okay, one more. Drink water. This one can be hard. You have drink, drank, drunk. Is drank or drunk past participle? I should have drunk water. Okay, I should have drunk water. I drank water yesterday. All right, now, simple new A-B dialogues using have. I am hungry now. So I'll say it first and then you. You should have eaten earlier. Okay, this is our time word. Earlier means before, past tense. Let's try another one. I will say it first and then you. I am so sleepy this morning. Okay? You shouldn't have stayed up late last night. You shouldn't have stayed up late last night. Longer. You shouldn't have stayed. It's our past tense verb. It's actually past participle, but because stay, there is no past participle form, it's the same as past form. No change like eaten. So stay, stayed, stayed. Okay? Up last night. Last night is our time word. It tells us when. And that's last night. So this morning, last night. It's past tense. Okay, longer A-B dialogues. Let's read it together. I'll read it first and then you. Here we go. Oh no, you are so wet. Did you get caught in the rain? Oh no, you are so wet. Did you get caught in the rain? Okay, this sets up the dialogue. Now, yes, I did get caught in the rain. All right? I should have brought my umbrella. I should have brought my umbrella. You look so full. I know I shouldn't have eaten so much food. Can you see what we're doing? I, he, she, shouldn't, should, have, and then past participle verb. Okay? And then we have our noun phrase, my umbrella, so much food. Okay, let's do another one. Now, A, blah, 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 blah. B, you should have, blah, 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 blah. But A can use should too. So let's see what it looks like. What's wrong? You look very tired. This is orange. Remember, you look blank. Blank is adjective. You look blank. You look sleepy. You look tired. You look hungry. You look sick. Okay? So let's do the next one together. I exercised a lot today. I exercised a lot today. So past tense verb. I already did it. It's over. Okay? Now A. You shouldn't have done so much. You shouldn't have done so much. So much what? So much exercise. You shouldn't have done so much exercise. And then, thanks, but I'm okay. Okay, now, textbook dialogues. Let's make textbook dialogues together. So in your textbook, let's look here. I have 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are thinking, bike. He's thinking bike. She's looking at her test. So fail the test, lose my bike, be late for school, get caught in the rain. Let's look at these pictures and let's work together to make a dialogue. Okay. All right, so we're gonna start with this one. What's wrong? I blank blank. I'm sorry to hear that. I should have blank blank. Let's work together and fill the blanks. 4, bike. All right, so look at the picture. Look at the picture right here. Lose my bike. Which one's best? On this part right here, lose my bike, take an umbrella. I don't think so. Lose my bike, get up early. Lose my bike, study hard. I'm going to tell you that the best choice is chain it. Okay? Chain it. I should have chained it. It needs to be past participle. I should have chained it. Okay? And then, what's wrong? I lose my bike? No, it happened already. Past tense. I lost my bike. Okay, so let's do it together. Me first and then you. What's wrong? I lost my bike. I'm sorry to hear that. I should have chained it. All right, good job. Next one. Same dialogue. Now we're going to use this picture. F. Fail the test. Okay? I failed the test. All right? I should have studied. I should have studied for it. Okay. or I should have studied hard. Let's do it together. What's wrong? I failed my test. I'm sorry to hear that. I should have studied hard. Okay, 2 more. This one's easy. What's going on? He's late. So let's match it. Late. Get up early. So he's getting up right now. Getting up. He is getting up late. But I should have get up early. Okay? So, what's wrong? I am late. All right? Or how about we say this? Past tense. I was late. I'm sorry to hear that. I should have got up early. Got. We want to change it to gotten. Gotten. All right? So together. What's wrong? I am late. I was late for school. I'm sorry to hear that. I should have gotten up early. I should have gotten up early. Okay. And the last picture is this one. And this one, you can use the textbook dialogue right here. Let's go together. So, what's wrong? I got caught in the rain. I got caught in the rain. I'm sorry to hear that. I should have my umbrella, what? Bring. I should have brought my umbrella. But this book uses a different verb. The book says, I should have taken my umbrella. Take, took, taken. I should have taken my umbrella. All right. I believe that's it for now. Let's take a look at our textbook. Actually, no, let's practice. When we are in class next, if we have class next, I want an easy A-B dialogue. You should have blank blank. Yes, I should have blank blank. These words are the same, so you got to listen really carefully. Let's do a couple together. This one, book. What do you do with a book? Read. I should have read. Read, read, read. I should have read the book. All right, using our dialogue, you should have read the book. Yes, I should have read the book. Okay? So this one and this one, it's the same. We're just changing our pronouns. Okay? Let's do another one. What do you see when you see this picture? Movie. What do you do to a movie? See or watch. All right? We'll say, how about we use the verb see? You should have seen. See, saw, seen. Past participle. Past participle. PP verb. You should have seen the movie. Yes, I should have seen the movie. Okay, let's do another one. I should have played it. Sorry, let's do it this way. You should have played in the game. Repeat after me. Yes, I should have played in the game. Okay? Now we're going to use a preposition, to. You should have gone to school. You should have gone to school. Yes, I should have gone to school. All right. Take, took, taken. You should have taken the taxi. Yes, I should have taken the taxi. What about this one? You should have blank at the library. I should have studied at the library. Yes, I should have studied at the library. Okay, last one, home. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. I should have gone home. You should have gone home. I shouldn't have gone home. Alrighty. Let's do the word, how about one verb? Study. Alright? Repeat after me. Me first, then you. You shouldn't have studied at home. I know I shouldn't have studied at home. I know I shouldn't have studied at home. All right, guys, that's it for this. Let's look at our textbook real quick, and then we'll do some review. Okay, let's go. Okay, looking at our textbook, page 140, at the top, listen and speak 1. A, listen and choose. What did Mike do last night? There are 2 pictures, a picture of Mike eating and a picture of Mike watching TV. Let's listen to the dialogue and answer in key phrase. Here we go.
Mike, why were you late for class?
I had a bad stomach ache.
Oh no. Are you okay now?
Yeah, I should have eaten less last night.
Okay, so he has a stomach ache. What shouldn't he have done? He shouldn't have eaten a lot of food, but he said, I should have eaten less last night. Okay, now, part B. Listen and check. What is correct about Jiho? He played computer games last night. His history project is due today. He finished his history project a few days ago. Whatever you hear, check the box for the answer. Also, why does Jiho look tired? Let's listen to the dialogue now.
Jiho, what's up? You look tired.
Yeah, I stayed up late last night.
Did you play computer games again?
No, not this time. I had to finish my history project.
Is it due today?
Yeah, I shouldn't have put it off until the last moment.
I understand. I often have the same problem.
Really? Well, let's try to change our bad habits.
Okay, let's try to change our bad habits. So what did he do? Did he play computer games again last night? No, he has to do his history project. So, he finished his history project a few days ago is not correct. So what is correct? His history project is due today. So, why does Jiho look tired? Because he stayed up last night doing his history project. Okay, now the book is finished. I'm going to tell you what we'll do next time. So next time, we'll do our final page, and then we'll do the real life talk, and then that's it. It's all over. I will start with this screen here. All right. So what this says is old phrases with new phrases, and we'll go through each of the lessons. Lesson 1, lesson 2, 3. I want you to see ways that should have, should always wear. I want you to see how it works in all the English you've learned. Okay? And we'll go through this first, and then we'll do the new key phrases, and then we'll be completely finished. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And you can always ask me any kind of English question you want, or have conversation with me for practice. Use me before you go to high school, okay? All right, guys. I'll see you next time.